Okay, you take it for now.
Okay.
Trainer off.
Oops, I unpressed the... See, that's probably what happened before. I pressed the record button. Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Which way are we heading?
We're gonna come south, okay?
Alright.
And it's yours.
Trainer on.
Oh, I see what's going on. This is where you don't want me to go over there. Yeah, sorry, don't want me to go straight away. Time to turn?
Nope, you're good.
This time. Okay, I'll stay out of the sun.
Yeah. You're doing great. Looks awesome.
North, right?
Everything's going perfect. North, yeah, north. Straight north. And you're going straight up.
Whoa. Take it. Oh,
Trainer
sorry.
off.
There was massive interference and I couldn't see anything.
Okay.
The screen went all squiggly. Oh, that was interesting. That's over that place where we have the problem, right?
Yeah. Is that when you started getting distortion?
It was.
Weird.
Let's try that again.
Okay, yours.
Trainer on.
Oh. Right, I got it. It stalled on me, but So which way am I heading?
North.
Whoa. Okay. Oh.
Trainer off.
Okay, I got it again.
Okay.
Whoop. Yeah, it went all interference.
Yours.
Trainer on.
I'm pretty fine now, aren't I?
Yeah, no, not terrible. It's nice. Lots of room to...
Yeah. One of the things about getting high is doing this. You can't really see.
Oh.
You know, you got no contact.
That's right. There's no...
sky and a horizon way off in the
Yeah.
distance. When you're doing it from the ground.
I see what you're saying. Well, but you're doing really good.
Flickering.
You're turning right.
I'm over the other football field, right?
Yep, you're
We've
south.
got pretty much no...
Yeah, you're going south. Perfectly south.
Okay,
Everything's good. You're turning, yeah.
Yeah, got it.
Oh, it's really good. He's
Yeah,
just
I'm getting more comfortable with it.
perfect. Yeah, it's good.
So I'm slowly drifting down, am I?
No, you're just very slowly drifting down. I mean, like literally just gentle sail.
Well, just checking, the record button is blinking away. So here, what will happen?
You're
Form. If I keep going this way,
you're going far away.
I think I better turn around.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's weird. I'm not getting that interference this time.
Okay. That's going good.
Coming down just a touch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you keep looking at the planes.
I am.
We get a flyby.
I'm
How high
looking.
is that?
Oh, I mean, you're average. Yeah, you're probably 100 feet in the air.
This is a good thing and a bad thing about the Bixler, you know. The motor is actually so powerful.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of throttle and it takes off.
Yeah, yeah.
Yesterday when I just about lost it in the sun, I couldn't see anything. I had no idea what was going on.
Oh no.
I just gave it full throttle.
Oh.
Thought, that will pull me up. And you know what it did?
What?
A loop.
Oh, you're kidding.
Seriously, it was over there in the sun and it went up
Oh,
and then
good God.
over again. It was scary as hell actually. I had no idea what was going on until I saw it at the top of the loop, and
Yeah.
that was when I... Sorry, where am I going? Oh.
You're going south, and you're going great. You're going perfect. Are you just drifting down? You want to go to the right?
Weird how sometimes I get sort of flashes of interference. I think I better go off a little bit. That's getting a bit low.
You're about 80 feet.
Can you do that in meters for me?
You're about 20 meters.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty low there.
Oh, 30. Let's say 30 meters.
Oh, well, then
Do you feel better if I say 30 meters?
I do. It's higher, and I understand it.
And
So, you know,
and you're doing good.
I know about this Canada thing. I grew up in Australia. We used metric only, and when I came over here, people started using feet again. It
I'd prefer to use metric. I just
was tough to get used
say
to.
the.
I know everybody does it, right? Yeah, so what can you do? But to me, I think we're doing stuff backwards and forwards here. Actually,
Okay, you're going back up. Good. You're going north again.
that was, but that went around in a circle with no stick. It was all
Just on its own.
because it's not trimmed right. You can never get this thing trimmed right. So yeah, it's just doing it by itself.
Nice gentle turn. You're going south.
Am I still
You're about
fairly low?
nope. You're about 30
Okay.
meters still.
Trainer on.
I kind of lost. I think it was a sideways loop, right? I didn't really
Yeah.
go straight over. Oh.
It's me.
Yeah, it's back again, but I completely lost the picture.
Okay. Do you want me to?
No, we're good. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Good. It's back.
Go ahead. You.
On.
Right. We're heading into the sun.
Yeah. So turn to the right and then keep turning. That way we won't go sun. Yeah, that's better. And then do your turn there so we don't have to deal with the sun. Perfect. There you go. You did an FPV loop, my friend.
It's crazy how you see those guys doing it online, right? But they've got a lot of experience, and B, actually, it's really expensive to do it with some of the top line.
Yeah.
This thing is like, I got a deal on the camera.
Yeah.
I'd ordered a little plane that I was gonna FPV, and they couldn't stock it. They didn't stock it. It was out of stock. And they kept saying, "Oh, we'll give you some points if you just hang on to the order." I said, "Well, can I get something else?" They're thinking maybe I'll order a plane. Instead, I said, "Hey, can I get these FPV goggles?" And they're worth about $150. The plane's order was $100, and they said yes. So
Nice. So do your turn here, and that way we don't have to. There you go.
And so that was $100. The camera was $50,
No.
and there's my FPV setup for $150.
Nice.
And some of those fancy FPV goggles are like $600, $700, $800 just for the goggles. So I mean,
Okay, you're far, far away.
if I still keep doing this, which honestly, the more I'm doing it, the more I feel like I might.
No, you're probably about 40 meters right now.
Okay, so pretty high. So all right then.
Now you just did a loop. You did another loop.
Whoops, I didn't mean to do another one.
Trainer
Okay.
off.
Oh, I was just doing a stall.
Okay.
And
Do you want it back?
into the ground. Yeah, I should be good.
Okay.
Trainer
Yours.
on.
Yeah, I didn't know when to stop the loop.
Ah.
I,
And then do your turn right here.
until it came around, I already would started the next loop before I had
Oh.
realized I was,
I thought you were being a show off.
no. It was like I didn't know when I should pull out of it.
You're about 30 meters
Okay, perfect.
and you're going left. You're doing fine. You're about 25 meters.
Oh, I'm coming down?
Yeah.
How's my timer? Oh, you've got the timer.
Got 2 minutes and 34 seconds. You're about 30 meters.
Yesterday I did 12 minutes and I was still at 4 volts.
Really?
Yeah, I spent all my time way up there.
Ah.
Soaring. with
Go
the
right
timer
here.
off. And yeah, it uses no battery at all. This one will probably come down at about 2.8. Well,
About 40 meters. You're going north. Doing great. This is just incredible, Tim. I can't believe you're flying strictly with. This is so cool, man. Nice turn. Perfect. You're about 45 meters. Yeah, you're over the fence on the west side.
How low am I?
About 30 meters.
Okay, pretty far. That's low. You sure?
25 meters.
Okay. You think I'm low enough to land?
Yeah, you could. Keep going down. You're perfect. Go down. Yeah, just keep doing that. Perfect. Perfect. That is perfect. That's ridiculously perfect. Perfect. Like perfect.
Okay.
So kill switch is this guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! That was fantastic. I was gonna say, Tim, you land better in FPV than you do when you're looking at the thing.
It's weird, but it didn't feel like that.
Oh, it was perfect. It was just gentle. It just drifted down, like amazing.
The first time I tried it, it was weird. I couldn't even tell where the grass was.
Perspective was, it was perfect. You just kind of judged it and it worked out.
So it's here.